Hi, I'm Sylvia.
I'm Laura.
And we are here at the Simac in Milano 2022 presenting Novacoat-D by BASF.
Novacoat-D is a combination of an in-mold coating and release agent and has a lot of benefits.
And first let me explain to you what is Novacoat-D exactly. So Novacoat-D is a technology that enables you to ease your process. In the standard process, you insert the release coating into the mold, then you spray the in-mold coating, add the PU, and then it reacts and you have the finished part, like a midsole, for example. Using our Novacoat-D, you have a two-in-one solution. It means you insert our spray coating with demolding properties, then you pour the PU into the mold, and ready is your midsole, for example.
It also has a lot of key features. So, for example, it's very easy to clean. It's very flexible. So the material is very flexible. It's also suitable for various industries, and it definitely protects the foam.
Furthermore, you have different design options by adding a texture to your mold, and this you can see on display. So we use the same coating with different mold textures, and you can see that the coating comes out differently. So you can give more design to your finished product.
BASF. We create chemistry.